A crypto card that earns 1% cash back on every purchase and allows me to turn my crypto into cash instantly sounds pretty good to me. What's going on, everybody? It's Chris with Committed 3D Tech. And yes, last time we talked about Crypto.com, I had just invested $40,000 to upgrade to the Frosted Rose Gold Crypto.com Visa card. And given current market conditions, I'm actually becoming extremely bullish again on Crypto.com. So in this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about the different card tiers and which one I think is the best one. We're also gonna talk about the app features and Crypto.com earn and the staking rates. Now, of course, if you want to get $25 in CRO tokens absolutely free, use the link down in the description. Go ahead and sign up for the Crypto.com Ruby Red Visa, and you and I both get $25 in CRO tokens absolutely free. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that. I have a lot of content coming out, as well as some live streams on crypto, tech, and investing platforms, and all of the like. Make sure you turn the notification bell on, and that way you'll get notified anytime that I come out with a new video. And of course, if you haven't liked this video, make sure you do that. And with all that out of the way, let's get to the video. The last time we reviewed Crypto.com, I got myself the Frosted Rose Gold Crypto.com Visa. Now, Crypto.com claims that they are the world's leading cryptocurrency platform. To be honest, I completely agree. I have been impressed with their platform from the get-go. Now, that doesn't mean that they do everything right. That doesn't mean they have a perfect platform. But when you think about decentralization and crypto apps that we've had in the past, really the only one on par with that is going to be Coinbase. Their fees are outrageous, and the services they offer, while they're very good, they're a little limited. And so that's one reason I really love the Crypto.com app, because I compare that to centralized banking. Crypto.com is trying to fill the shoes of decentralized banking, relying heavily on cryptocurrency, obviously. Now, from a marketing standpoint, Crypto.com is just a phenomenal name. That was the main reason I was bullish on them in the first place. But when you think about the functionality of the app and you compare it to your banks or any bank that you've banked with, I find the platform just absolutely on par with those banking services. The only difference is it provides me the financial services that I need for cryptocurrency. So let's talk about the different card tiers that they have. Keep in mind, there is an entry-level Crypto.com Visa card that is absolutely free, and that is the Midnight Blue. So you can sign up for that one. You don't have to stake anything. Now, the benefit of this card is strictly going to be you can take your crypto and turn it into fiat currency instantly. And then you can spend it in US dollars or whatever fiat currency that you use for your card. So you're not gonna get any CRO rewards. You're not gonna get a sign-up bonus or anything like that. And then of course, you're not gonna get any of the other awesome benefits that come with the Crypto.com Visa, on the higher tiers at least. The Ruby Red Visa, I think still is one of the best values that you can get. Basically, you stake $400 worth of CRO for at least 6 months. So when you sign up for it, you lock that CRO in for 6 months. After that, you can sell it and downgrade, and you won't get as many benefits from the card, but you will still get some, and we're going to talk about that. When you sign up for the Ruby Red Crypto.com Visa, you get 1% CRO rewards on every single purchase. You'll also get a $25 referral bonus by using my link. Once again, that's down in the description, or you can use referral code C3D. Now, also with the Ruby Red Visa, you get Spotify Premium for free for the first 6 months, which I found that really cool back when I originally signed up for it. This was 3 years ago. I'd never really used Spotify. I'm an Apple guy. It was cool because I had friends and family that were able to use my Spotify Premium because I had it for free. Now, moving up to the Royal Indigo or the Jade Green. This was actually the one that really introduced me to more of Crypto.com's luxury features. Now, to stake for this card, you're going to stake $4,000 in CRO tokens. From there, you're going to get 2% CRO rewards on all of your purchases. Now, the only bad thing about these cards is that they do have reward caps. So basically, you get 2% back on your purchases up to $50, which If you think about that, that's quite a lot of spending. You'd have to spend roughly $2,500 to meet that cap, which some people might. And if you are spending that much on your card, to be honest, it might be worth upgrading to the next tier. We'll talk about that in a second. Now, of course, you're going to get Spotify Premium for the first 6 months for free. You're also going to get Netflix for the first 6 months for free. Keep in mind, that's up to $13.99 equivalent. So if you have one of the higher packages or anything like that, what they're going to reimburse is $13.99 per month for the first 6 months. And then the reason I upgraded to the Jade Green in the first place, I'll tag a link for that video, but I wanted access to LoungeKey. Now, LoungeKey basically gives you access to a network of airport lounges. So basically you go to the airport and you're able to go in free of charge. And a lot of these airport lounges have free drinks, free food, and a lot of other amenities and just cool benefits to be able to use when you're at the airport. Because of this, I've actually planned flights and things around that so that I can go to the airport earlier than I expect and just enjoy sitting in the lounge, not having to worry about am I going to catch my flight or anything like that. Now, the Frosted Rose Gold and the Icy White. This is where you really start getting into higher rewards. Now, keep in mind, this is a high cap to get in. Obviously, you have to stake 40,000 bucks worth of CRO tokens to upgrade to this card. But you do get 3% CRO rewards on all of your purchases, and there is no cap to the CRO rewards that you get from purchases. Also, the 6-month limit is taken away from the Spotify and Netflix, so you get both of those services for free. You also get Amazon Prime reimbursed for free. You get benefits from Expedia. You basically get a 10% reimbursement up to $50 per month. So basically you can spend $500 on Expedia and get 10% back every single month. Of course, you're still going to get access to LoungeKey, but here with this benefit, you're going to be able to take in a guest. Now, I can't tell you how many times I've used this. It's at least a dozen. Pretty much every time I fly, when I go on trips with people, this is why I really wanted the Frosted Rose Gold. Of course, you get Crypto.com Private, which the main benefit for me is that you have access to higher staking rates. You also do earn bonus rewards on the crypto that you've staked, so that 40,000 bucks of CRO token that you've staked, you're going to earn more on that. You also do get this merchandise welcome pack, which I thought was awesome. Now, when you upgrade to the Obsidian Black, you're going to have to stake 400K worth of CRO tokens. This is for the whales, but you're also going to get 5% unlimited CRO rewards back on your purchases. And then in addition to all of the perks that you got on the Frosted Rose Gold or the Icy White, you're going to be able to spend up to $1,000 on Airbnb per month and get 10% cash back. That reward limit is $100 per month. And then you also have access to the private jet partnership. Now, of course, I don't have the Obsidian Black, so I don't know what that private jet partnership is like, but when I do upgrade to the Obsidian Black, I'll be sure to keep y'all updated. Now, keep in mind, I actually did unstake my $40,000 worth of CRO tokens when the market was extremely high. And I did that for a lot of reasons, but it was the right move for me. Now that the market is down low again, I'm weighing my options of what I'm going to do. And we'll talk about that towards the end of the video. But of course, when you unstake, you can see here for the card tiers, Jade Green and below, you lose your CRO rewards. You're still able to top up your card from crypto extremely quickly, which is still a huge benefit. From the Jade Green up, you still do maintain that LoungeKey access. This is going to be a lifelong thing where you get the LoungeKey access. And so even though I unstaked, I still was able to get the benefit of accessing the LoungeKey. On the Frosted Rose Gold, I still get 1%. On the Obsidian Black, you would still get 2% CRO rewards. And that is unlimited as well. Now, part of the reason I'm looking into restaking for the card is because of the overall crypto market, particularly the price of CRO, which is also known as Chronos. The bear markets from 2019 and 2020, we are still holding above that right now. From our all-time high of close to 90 cents, I'm thinking that where we're at right now at a price of 7.5 cents looks extremely extremely good. And it means that we can prep for the next bull market. That's really what I'm banking on. I can start by staking for the lower tiers, and then as the price increases, I can start staking for the higher tiers. Or I could just risk it for the biscuit and put it all in for the frosted rose gold, and if we 10x, then I can get the obsidian black. Now, the other feature that I really like is the staking. I've made a video on this before, but pretty much you can make a crazy money machine from staking on this platform. The standard rates is getting 1.5% on your Bitcoin, 2% on your ETH, and 4.5% on your USDC. Now, USDC is pretty much like cash. It's like holding fiat currency. Where else can you get 4.5% per annum? Banks aren't doing it, but you notice that a lot of new platforms like Robinhood and Webull, they're starting to capitalize on this because they understand that traditional financing platforms are just not giving you the returns that we need to hedge against inflation. And so that's what I really like. Now, when you stake for the Frosted Rose Gold or the Icy White, the rates go up a lot higher. 3.5% per annum on Bitcoin, 4% on Ethereum, and 6.5% on USDC. Of course, you can go to their website and you can actually look at if you were to stake a certain amount of which token and the term that you're actually going to use. It'll actually calculate the annual return that you'll get. And of course, there are different plans. So the flexible one obviously is going to be the lowest tier. You're going to be able to withdraw that at any time. Now, I really like this because obviously it allows you to not have to worry about locking up your crypto. With the way that the market has gone, at this point, I'm actually more in favor of locking it up for three months or longer because the return is going to be bigger. I'm banking on crypto having another big bull run in the next year or two. And of course, on that same website, you can look at all of the per annum percentages that you can get for the different cryptos that they have available in their Crypto.com earn platform. So when we're breaking it down, the pros versus the cons, the pros, the platform's extremely secure. They have multiple security certifications that they are the only cryptocurrency company that has them. On top of that, it's easy to turn your crypto into fiat currency within the app using the Crypto.com Visa card. And also, like I mentioned, it's better than any banking app that I've used in my entire life, to be honest. And so that's something that I really enjoy about it, is it's filling that need for cryptocurrency holders and users financial institutions like the big banks just aren't doing. Now, there are some cons, of course. When you're buying and selling within the app, there is a spread on the price. And so you can buy a cryptocurrency for a lot higher than it might be at the time. And when you sell it, it's going to take away a lot. So for buying and selling, I don't recommend using in the app unless you're just looking for convenience. Now, of course, it's really easy to transfer it in and out, and you can just use an exchange like KuCoin. I'll tag a link for that down in the description. And then while I do like their features of recurring buys, things like that, the fees are a little on the high side. And the referral bonus is only $25, but we're in a bear market right now. And so the fact that they're still offering a $25 referral bonus just for putting $400 into the platform, while CRO is what I would consider very low, in my personal opinion, I think it's a very good opportunity. And so that's why I'm jumping on it again. So there you have it. Those are all the reasons that I have and still love Crypto.com, including the Crypto.com Visa. Of course, if you want to get the $25 bonus, use my link down in the description, sign up for the Crypto.com Ruby Red Visa, and you and I will both get $25 in CRO tokens absolutely free. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that. I will be coming out with updated videos on Crypto.com and all of the awesome things that they have coming in the future. And of course, everything crypto, tech, and investing platform related. Make sure you turn the notification bell on, and that way you'll get notified anytime I come out with a new video. And of course, like this video, it really helps with the YouTube algorithm to push this content further to larger audiences. It helps the channel grow. It helps me share this information with more people so that we can really speed up and grow the adoption of crypto and all of this tech that we talk about on this channel. And with all that out of the way, thanks for stopping by. My name's Chris with Committed 3D Tech, and we'll catch you next time.
Shoryuken.